Welcome back to another video of Makwala. So guys, we are currently cleaning one of our chicken houses. Actually, let me take out the mask. So we are busy cleaning one of our chicken houses because we're preparing for the festive season. So, but in today's video, I'm not going to be talking about how to clean a chicken house. You guys have seen plenty of my videos cleaning the chicken house. So what I want to discuss with you today, it's the date of when do you need to place in your chicks for the festive season, because a lot of farmers have been calling me, texting me and asking, when do we place in our chickens? We want them to be ready around Christmas. We're just starting up, we don't know how to place, when, which date, those kind of things. I know they're very tricky, guys, because let me know, when I started this thing, it's some of the things were very tricky for me, but luckily you have me as your favorite agricultural YouTuber. I don't know, so I'm gonna give you a few dates that you can place in your chickens, starting from this week actually. Yeah, so if you want your chickens to be at around 7 weeks, let me open my calendar very quickly. So here I have like few dates that I have put in down. So if you want your chickens to be at 7 weeks, those who like to sell big chickens, 3.2 kg, 3 kgs, so this is the perfect week for you to place in your chickens. So from the 3rd of November, which it was Monday, because today is the 5th and it's Wednesday. So from Monday until Friday, because a lot of farmers or a lot of shops, they normally sell chickens or chicks during the week. You will hardly find suppliers or hatcheries giving out chickens in weekend. So that's why my dates are mainly focused on the weekly days, not weekends. Maybe you are small hatcheries, guys who are hatching for themselves and who also hatch to sell to other people. Sometimes you find them that they do give out chicks on weekends. But big hatcheries, we know the shops that sell feed and chicks, we know that normally it's during the week. No one is selling in the weekend during the week. So my dates are mainly focused during the week. So but anyway, from the 3rd of November until the 7th of November, you can place in your chicks. So probably around Christmas weekend, from 24, 23, somewhere there, your chicks will be reaching at around 3 kgs. They're about 7 weeks around that time. Your clients are happy, you are happy, you are making money, it's festive season, you gain costs left and right and center, the demand is high, it's booming, the business is booming, we are all quenching it, so that in January we can go and have our nice holidays wherever we are going. Some of us will take breaks in January and go on holidays. When people are going back to work and stuff, it's time for some of us to go on holidays, because now things are cheap and we have money, because we've been making money in December. But so you heard me, from the 3rd to the 7th of November, that's when you actually place the image for you to reach your 3 kgs, which is around 7 weeks. Then from the 10th of November to the 14th of November, that's when now you actually place in your chicks. If you are looking to sell your chickens at around 6 weeks, then you're looking at like 2.2 kg, 2.5 kg weight. Those who normally give the chicken, not really big chicken, but yeah, still big, but nicely big chicken at around 6 weeks. So you can start to place at from the 10th to the 14th. If you haven't made any arrangements with your suppliers now, because I know it's festive season, the demand is high. Sometimes you knock at doors, they say that we are fully booked, you are struggling to get chicks. But make sure that if you know that you normally sell your chickens for at around 6 weeks, and you are taking the Christmas weekend, the very biggest weekend in South Africa. The whole year, people are saving money for like that week, from the 16th to the 25th. Those dates there, that's when we know that a lot of people are spending. So now your chicken will be around 6 weeks around that time, if you are placing from the 10th to the 14th of December. So now if you are looking at to sell your chicken at around 5 weeks, now you're going to be placing your chicks from the 17th to the 21. So if you know that you are like Makwala, you sell medium sized chickens, 1.8, 2 kg chickens, at like 5 weeks, you're getting 2 kg, 1.9, 2.1, 2.2 a little bit of it. So if you're looking to sell your chicken around 5 weeks, you can start to place from the 21 from the 17th to the 21 of November. And then the last date that I'm going to give you, it's very tricky, this one. This one is for people who are normally targeting New Year. If you're going to be targeting New Year, this is the date that you're going to place in your chicks. From the 24th to the 28th of December, that's when you can place in your chicks if you are targeting New Year, or your customers prefer small chickens, because now they'll be at like 4 weeks. They are on like 1.7, but some they do reach 1.9 around 4. It depends on the supplier, but the reason why I'm giving you this kind of dates and with this kind of numbers that I'm putting out there is because of the logistic around poultry, more especially in festive season, because a lot of farmers, they will be starting to cry now saying, hey, my chickens are not growing, hey, my hatchery did me 80, hey, my supplier gave me bad chicks. So it's very important for you to actually place in chicks very early, and you know that around those time your chicks are at like 6 weeks, even if some they are still bad, but you have few that you can still be pushing, and some will be also be picking up. So because you know around 6 weeks, even if they give you bad chicks, most of them they will be very nice at around 6 weeks. So it's very important for you to place in very early when it comes to the festive season market, because when the demand is high, suppliers, they play it dirty. That's the nature of the poultry industry. First, in festive season, the demand will start to get higher. Suppliers have to play it. So let's be very careful there, guys. Let's not get roosters. Let's be very, very careful with the chicks that we get, the suppliers that we buy from, because we know sometimes, even if you know that you've been working with this supplier for the whole year, but come festive season, they also do you dirty. So yeah, let's be careful, guys. I hope you're gonna have a very interesting festive season. I've also placed some of my chickens which had they were attacked by this name always triggers me when I need to put it up there. Yeah, but I will just write it down there. So it was, my chicken were attacked by that aspergillosis or aspergillosis. Yeah, something like that, guys. Hi, but yeah, that's what attacked my chickens. And what I did, I actually sprayed them. There's a video actually where I was showing how I actually dealt with it. So I sprayed my chicken with viral kill. Also sprayed my chicken bedding with viral kill. Then I also gave my chicken viral kill. And we lost about like 15 chickens so far from that cycle. But after what I've done, the mortality stopped. So because I went to somewhere, and when I was gone, I got a call when I was away that we actually lost about 7 chickens when I was away. But yeah, when I came back, since I came back, we haven't found any mortality. So it looks like whatever that I've done, what I tried to do, really works, because that virus or whatever that you want to call it, that disease, it doesn't really have a cure. That's something that you guys must know. It doesn't have a cure. So whatever you can do to actually fight it, do it. If someone advises you to put garlic in the water, do it. If someone advises you to put whatever peri, mix purple leaves, aloe, like anything that they advise you to do. If someone says I have done this and it worked, yeah, just try to do it. But sometimes don't try to overdose things, because you ended up actually messing up with the chickens now, and then you lose more. So because most of the time people will tell you to put garlic, put ginger, mix them with peri, and then you blend them together, you put them inside the water, you mix it. So some of those things that we do, we don't really have measurement. You don't even know how much you should put. But let's try to avoid putting too much, because they'll end up actually affecting our chickens. We'll start to lose too much chickens on the other side. But anyway, guys, let's have a good festive season. I think I'm gonna be dropping videos every day now until the end of the year, because it's festive. I know a lot of you are crying with stuff in the poultry game. But anyway, whenever you clean your chicken house, make sure that you put on your mask. PEE. it's required. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like. Django.